Hey guys, Patronn here. We got Mike in the house, made it to the show, and we're talking about the Automotive Game Changer Conference. He's going to be speaking. He's big on reinsurance, and I'll have him go into detail why it's so important. And the things that I'm learning from him, guys, is just crazy things that you wouldn't even think, right? That the revenue that you can get out of reinsurance. So, you know, a little bit more. This is what he does for a living. He's an expert at it, and he has a lot of people that, you know, he's keynote speaking at my event. He's done plenty of them before. And tell him a little bit more or less, because I know there's a lot of changes coming for 2019, especially for warranties, guys, with all the new laws coming out. And Mike is one of them that knows them. So I want to hear from him. So
thanks, Rudy.
yes.
Well, you know, guys, I'm super jacked up to be speaking at the conference. You know, reinsurance is one of those things that I think is one of the most powerful things that a dealer can do going into the future to build profit and legacy for their families. And I know that there's been a lot of changes this year and going into next year. We're going to be touching on those changes at the conference. We're going to be handling some of the questions that you might have. Some of you are well versed in reinsurance. Some are a little bit scared of it. And we're going to talk about why there's no need to be scared of it and why you can embrace it and really make a nice profit in your company going forward.
And guys, if you have any specific topic that you want to talk about, that you want Mike to speak about at the conference, comment below. Owners, GMs, GSMs, F&I guys, what do you want to learn about it? All right, so Mike can bring you exactly the answer that you're looking for. These are the things that we're going to be talking about at the conference, and this is why it's so important for you to attend, because for 2019, you want to know what's the latest. You want to know. I believe you're going to Arizona, right?
Arizona for the reinsurance conference next week.
Everything is going to be laid out. You're going to know the latest and the greatest, right?
Yeah. We're going to deliver for you guys. You know, if it's reinsurance related and you have questions, definitely take a minute, drop a note. We'll be prepared to answer them. We'll have an interactive session at the Game Changer Conference to really help you understand and really set up your future going into 2019. So we're super excited.
I'm super excited, guys, to have Mike on board, and thank you for sponsoring, of course, to your company, and we're just glad that you're part of it. And 2019 is a lot of things that are coming, and I know you're going to be part of it as well. And we're thinking of changing the game, right? And that's what it's called, that, because we have to do things that change. The definition of insanity. Everybody says it. Keep doing the same thing, expect different results. Not going to happen. So thank you again for
thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
Of course, my pleasure, guys. Patronn, Mike out.